Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, we are discussing about second chapter of Flamingo book, and the name of chapter is Lost Spring. Dear students, in that we discussed about the first part, and I explained you line by line. In last video I have told you the summary of second part, second story, which is given in this chapter, Lost Spring. Dear students, as you all know that this particular lesson, Lost Spring, is about such children whose happiness has been lost, whose childhood's happiness has been lost, who could not get the opportunity to enjoy their childhood, to play freely, and who are forced to spend a miserable life due to their poor economical condition. Or in that, dear students, we discussed the story of Sahib Alam in first part, and I told you the summary of second part, that is the story of a boy whose name is Mukesh, who used to live in Firozabad, the city which is famous for making bangles. In that city, thousands of the families are engaged in making bangles as their work, as they are working very hard day and night. All family members are busy in that work, but as they work in a very tough situation, in a very difficult situation, in front of furnaces, due to that it affects, due to that their health is also affected, their eyesight is also affected, due to that they become very old also. And most important thing I want to tell you, dear students, is that they don't get enough benefit also. So we have to discuss line by line today. Open your book, second chapter, on page 17. As I have told you that writer means Anees Jung met Mr. Mukesh, the main character of the second part of the story. Or what was the conversation between them? What Mukesh told narrator Anees Jung. Mukesh insists on being his own master, or I will be a motor mechanic, he announces. So when writer and narrator of the lesson Anees Jung interacted with Mukesh, the central and main character of the second part of the story, he gave his opinion that he will be a motor mechanic. His dream was to do something different. He does not want to engage himself in his traditional profession. He wanted to drive a car. He wanted to become a motor mechanic. He very dearly and very firmly, the boy Mukesh is telling his opinion to Anees Jung, because he took such decision in that he was going to do something different. The track which was followed by the people of his family and his locality, he was going to do something different. He was going to work on different track. He was going to engage himself in different profession. Means he was going to become a motor mechanic. He wanted to drive a car. This was the dream and opinion of Mr. Mukesh. Do you know anything about cars? Writer inquires when she knew that the boy Mukesh is going to drive a car and he want to be a motor mechanic. The writer at once asked whether he knows something about car. So he simply gives answer that I will learn to drive a car. He will learn. His answers looking straight, and he answers looking straight into my eyes, or this statement, this reply he gave very confidently with full hope. A writer is describing the dream, the plan which Mukesh has formed in his mind and made in his mind, that particular plan and dream, how it was. His dream looms like mirage amidst the dust of streets that fill his town Firozabad. Writer and narrator of the lesson Anis Jung here describes that's the dream of Mr. Mukesh to become a motor mechanic, to drive a car, was as unclear, it appears as unclear as that particular mirage, that particular illusion in among the in the middle of the streets, dust of streets, that of Firozabad. Means, for the writer, his dream was not going to be fulfilled. His dream was not going to be completed. It was as unclear as that particular illusion which is formed in the desert. But the boy has formed his opinion. The boy has made his opinion to do something different. Or it is the center of India's glass blowing industry, where families have spent generations working around the furnaces. The writer says about the condition of the people who were working in that Bengal industry. Narrator says that they are engaged for many generations. They are working in front of furnaces in high temperature zone, or they are making bangles. They are making the bangles for all the women. Understood? Or for all the married women. Or in this profession they are engaged for many generations. Mukesh family is also in them. Or here is given they were not aware that their work is illegal. Why their work is? None of them know that it is illegal for the children. Why that their work was illegal? Because many thousands of the children were engaged in that work. Thousands of the children were involved in making bangles. They were assisting and helping their parents. So this work is totally illegal. But they were unaware about that. None of them know that it is illegal for the children like them to work in the glass furnaces with the high temperature zone. To employ and to engage small children in such risky and difficult work was really a crime, and it was illegal, but the people were unaware. Or here is given, if the law will be suppose properly implemented, then what will happen? If enforced, could get him and all those 20,000 children out of the hot furnaces. If rule will be implemented properly, then those 20,000 children who are busy and who are engaged and assisting and helping their parents and their families, they will be thrown out. They will come out. Understood? They will come out of the hot furnaces where they are working. They are working. Here is given in daylight, in the dark room. And due to working in high temperature zone in dark and dirty room, they used to lose their eyesights, the brightness of their eyesights. Here is given कि often losing the brightness of their eyes. So this is the actual condition of the children who are working. Mukesh eyes beams as volunteers to take me home. Or Mukesh, the boy who took the writer and wanted to show the condition of his house and his people, he finally reached to a house. Here is given, which he proudly says is being rebuilt. That house was renovated and rebuilt, but the condition was not good. Or Mukesh was proudly saying that it was rebuilt. How it was? How the condition was not good? The doors were opening. We walked down in the stinking, in the foul smell streets, lanes, or that was blocked by garbage. The streets, by that they were passing narrator and Mukesh, that a particular lane was blocked by the garbage, or it was giving a very foul smell. Or in such dirty and miserable situation, the people, those who were working in Firozabad, Bengal industry, they were living and they were spending their life. Or past home remains hovels with crumbling walls. The condition of walls was also not good, broken walls. Or doors were also opening, shaking, no window. And one more thing was observed, that there was the 4 legs and 2 legs, they were living together. As in ancient time, animals and human beings were living together. The same thing was observed by narrator Anis Jung in the streets of Firozabad, where the Bengal makers were living together. Here is given कि crowded with the families of humans and animals coexisting, living together in a primal state. Primal states, here is given as in ancient times. They were living together in the same way. Or finally, here is given, finally he banged a wobbling door with his foot. Mukesh, he pushed that door, he hit that door, or pushes it open. Or finally the writer entered in the house of Mr. Mukesh, the central character of the story, whose dream was to become a motor mechanic. How and what was the condition? In one part of it thatched with dead grass. See the condition? It was rebuilt, but one part was covered with dead grass, dry grass. And is fire is stove, and one more thing was observed by that, in kitchen a lady was busy in preparing something, or sits on a firewood stove. There was sits a large vessel, or the lady was preparing something, or she was preparing vegetables of spinach. On ground, or what was another thing, the lady was busy in that, and on ground in a large aluminum plates, or or in that more chopped vegetable, more chopped spinach was kept there, or the lady was busy in preparing food for the family members. Or how was the lady? A frail young woman is cooking evening meal. That particular frail means that thin and weak lady was busy in preparing dinner and for the family members. Though her eyes were filled with smokes, but she smiles. In that adverse situation, she was smiling. Or who was that lady? She was the wife of Mukesh's elder brother. Or here is given कि she has begun to command the respect as the bahu in the family, daughter-in-law in the house. Or she has responsibility of three men: Mukesh's father, Mukesh's brother, and Mukesh. Or living in a very miserable condition. Here is given, when the older man enters, and according to the tradition, whenever the old elder man enters in the house, she used to cover her face with veil. Here is given, behind the broken wall, and whenever any elders used to enter in the house, she brings her veil closer to her face as custom demands. Because she was the daughter-in-law, she was bahu of the family. So whenever any elder person will enter in the house, so in front of that, she will definitely bring closer to her veil, understood, and she will cover her face. Or the condition was very much poor, dear students, bangle makers. Or here Mukesh's father, here is given that despite of long years hard work, Mukesh's father could not do something different. He worked as a tailor first, or could not do anything, and lastly and finally he engaged in his traditional work. But unfortunately he could not give a good life, a pakka house, a good facility to his children. Even he could not send his children to the school. Here is given all he managed to do, or what he finally succeeded to do. He managed to teach his children that how to make bangles. Only in this work he was successful. Or Mukesh's grandmother is telling that this bangle making is their karam and is that their destiny. They have to engage. Or that particular, for many generations they are engaged in that. Or she is telling ki can God given lineage ever be broken? Can this type of thing can be ever finished? Ki a person who is bangle maker can do something different, can change his track? Obviously no. The person's profession is decided according to his birth, according to, suppose the birth in the family he used to live, according to his suppose caste, his profession is decided. The same was with Mukesh. Not only Mukesh, thousands of the families. So this was the statement of Mukesh's grandmother. Dear students, I will tell you remaining portion in the next video. Thank you, dear students.